Hello, and welcome back to Let's Code with another episode. Pretty tired, had a long day, but still wanted to record something, keep up every day my everyday coding challenge. So, let's do an easy one, but of course not 8 and 7, that's too easy. Let's do a 6 or a 5. But I just get 8. Okay. So let's search for 6. How many numbers? Let's just head on to train. Let me read the instruction. Create a function cell number that will select numbers that fulfill the following constraints. First of all, the numbers should have 2 digits at least. They should have their respective digits in increasing order from left to right. Examples: 789, 579, 12,678 have this feature, but a 617, 89,927 are not of this type. In general, if D1, D2, D3 are the digits of a certain number I, example I equals D1, D2, D3 and so on, they cannot have digits that occur twice or more. Example 8,991 should be discarded. And the difference between neighboring pairs of digits cannot exceed certain value. Example, if the difference between contiguous digits cannot exceed 2, so 1,345, 23,568 and 234,578 pass this test, or numbers like 1,456 or 389 or 157 don't belong to that group, because in the first number 1,456 the difference between second and first digit 4 minus 1 is greater than 2. In the next one, 389, we have 8 minus 3 is greater than 2, and see by yourself why 157 should be discarded in general, taking the example above. Okay, so passes test, but Oh, okay, so they can are allowed to do jumps between two. The function should accept 2 arguments, n and d. N is the upper limit of the range to work with. All the numbers should be less or equal than n, and d is maximum difference between every pair of its contiguous digits. It's clear that 1 is less equals d, less equals 8. Here we have some cases. Compare the last example with this one. Happy coding. Okay, let's just go on. Okay, I thought I did understand it. Oh, this is pretty hard for a 6Q, to be honest. Let me see the examples. Yes. Okay, yeah. Maybe there are easy solutions. I don't know an easy solution, so I will do the dumb solutions for I in range dnd, or let's do dn. Count equals 0 if for s in string of e, if I'm thinking about an easier way, but I don't think there's an easy way. This one is impossible for my knowledge to do as a one-liner. But yeah, maybe I just lacked something, or I'm just tired because it's already 10 p.m. I just returned from swimming. Pretty exhausted, but yeah. Even then, it's kind of a new challenge if you're exhausted and try to code. So yeah, let's do this. But yeah, let me think of something, because from if we have 10 to 20, if we have 13, we have 2. If we get past 13, if we get past yeah, but that's hard. That's really, really difficult for 6 kilo. For example, in last one we had 4 kilo, and yeah, this was a little bit harder to be honest, but yeah, not that hard. Not that much harder. Yeah, if we are from 100 to from 1 to 100 is pretty simple. Seven, 8, 7, 9. Let me try something. I have an idea. Let's do for e in range dn if string of I equals, or list of string of I equals sorted string of I count plus equals 1, and then return count. Of course, D should be 10 test, and now I is 13 to 1, 11 of course. If length of set of string of E equals length of string of E doesn't equal break. Test again. Oh, not break, continue, of course. Continue. Test. Okay, another test passed, so 15. What could be in 15 be counted accidentally as yeah, let's think 14, 15 shouldn't be counted, 13. (11) not, because 11. Okay, 12 not, 13 not. Okay. I get it, because 14, 15 should be also excluded. How can we do that? Okay, this is totally a kata where I have problems with. Feel like I'm pretty stupid, but yeah, what can I do? I think I'm just missing a really easy solution. If, let's just iterate, for E in string of E. No, that's too complicated for. But how can we do it easily? This is really harder than the 4Q challenge we did last time. I mean, I know a way we can iterate through the string and cook and look if one digit is, if the next digit is, yeah, 2 times or 3 times larger than the previous one. But chat, that's just much too complicated. I'm thinking of an easier way. Already 16 minutes for a 6Q, that's kind of embarrassing. Yeah, but what should I do? Let's try. I don't know. I don't know an easy way. Okay, I have no other choice, I guess. Enumerate string of e if e if e and e an integer of e minus 2 is greater than integer of e I minus 1, skip me equals 2. If skip me continue, and yeah, at the beginning skip me equals false. Test. Okay, got a syntax error, I guess, type error. Integer object is not scriptable. Don't know where the mistake is, to be honest. Integer object. So I have a string, which is obviously a digit. Integer I. Okay, where is the problem? Just to make sure. Yeah, now the test works, but why does he have a problem with it? Integer E test. Okay, of course this is bad syntax. Oh, it's too late. Test. Not. Why is this not subscriptable? Ah, because we got an integer. Already got an integer. Integer of string of E. Test. One bracket more. Test. Come on, you are subscriptable. Okay. Now you are E minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Minus 3, minus 1. Test. Minus 2. Okay, where's the mistake now? Let's look at 14. Okay, is less. No, I'm totally out of shape at the moment. If E and integer of EE minus 2, in this case 14 is 4 minus 2 is 2, greater than 1. Test. Okay. which is the case. I don't get it. So 2 should equal 1. But why 1? 13 and 12 should be valid. Why 1? I don't even get the... Okay, I totally didn't get the instructions because it's too complicated. This is obviously not 6Q. Definitely not. Not that I don't like this. That's not the point. The point is it's way too hard for 6. Just wanted an easy one because I already was exhausted. Ah, okay, minus D. Minus D test. Test. Plus 1. This is really hard. So, what is the last one missing? Maybe... Oh, I have a clue. Plus 1. Finally. Oh, come on, don't tell... Yeah. Oh, this was by far one of the hardest challenges I did until now. Harder than the 4Q challenge. Submit, I don't wanna... Now I want to see how dumb I will return sum of... Yeah, this is stuff I have to look up, but yeah. I'm not the only one who needed much more. Okay, but finally I'm finished. Still, I don't want to... Okay. I don't know, I accidentally paused the video. I don't know when I paused the video, but I did it. What I wanted to say is the kata was still fun. I don't want to blame the author or creator of this kata. Very fun to work with. Hell, you had to think about different stuff, but way too hard for a 6Q, may a 5 or even 4. But yeah, apart from that, see you and bye bye for the next coding.